Did the decision to lift essentially all COVID-19 restrictions and testing in Alberta really come from our top doctor? Some political watchers aren't buying it, pointing to a change in messaging.
The independence and the credibility of our Chief Medical Officer of Health.
Health Minister Tyler Shandro made several references Thursday to the Chief Medical Officer of Health being independent.
The Premier, the Minister of Health, is that she's merely an advisor. She merely makes recommendations. And that's been what they've said all along.
It's a question Dr. Dina Hinshaw got a lot before the second wave.
My role is to provide advice and recommendations, to make recommendations and provide options. Elected leaders know my perspective and then take that into account and make the final decision as the representatives of the province.
While some jurisdictions have truly independent CMHOs who don't report to government, the UCP voted against changing Hinshaw's role, preferring all health decisions to report to an elected official who voters can hold to account. But that said, all pandemic health restrictions do have Hinshaw's signature.
She actually did have this considerable legal power, but it seemed that what was going on behind the scenes was, even though she was signing the orders, that the government was making the final decisions.
This is a political strategy. There's no other way of getting around that.
For political scientist Dwayne Bratt, he refers to Alberta's push to be the first to reopen as aggressive.
Is all about, if we reopen society and we reopen the economy, then our popularity will increase and people will start to support us in public opinion polls. They will start to donate money to the party.
Pointing to recent fundraising numbers. Well, typically the governing party in any province will do better, the UCP only raising a little over half of the opposition NDP, fearing this latest health move is a political gamble.
To have more problems because we don't know who's been vaccinated. We don't know who is positive, and we're not taking any measures to find out.
Alberta's health minister says the decision came from scientific evidence many are waiting to see, as the federal top doctor warns of a fourth wave fueled by the Delta variant. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.